Hi everyone. Now let's talk about typecasting into string data type. So we have seen integer, float, bool, complex. Here now we are discussing string data type conversion. Now let's see here. If you want to convert into string, what you need to do? String of, then required data type name. Data type name if you pass, then you can able to convert into string data type. Now let's see. I'm just taking integer to string. Okay, integer to string means you can able to take it like string of, then you can take it 1 here, so it is converting. So now observe here, a equal to 1, then print of a, and then print of type of a. Okay, then here print of, sorry, b equal to, then you can understand here string of a here. Okay, now this is called typecasting. So then you can result, after typecasting you can observe the result like b, and then result type format you can say whether it is converted properly or not. Then we can able to see type here. When we execute now, let's see what will happen. See now, the here one is there, but we cannot able to see output in the Jupyter instance like this. But in, if you observe type built-in function, if you observe, then this is integer, this is string. So that's why the beauty of type built-in function, even it is very small also, very simple also, but we will solve a big issues in the escalation part in productions by using type built-in function. Here one is there. Internally it is integer and string, so that we cannot modify, we cannot find sometimes. So that's why type built-in function is very important for us. Then this is integer to string, right? Then you can say float to string format. So float to string you can say string of, then you can say 1.0. Then what is the value? Then you are getting string only. Same value, it is coming with inverted commas. So when you type like this, it will not come these inverted symbols. Now we are able to convert from float to string. Now you can take it one more example, that is like complex to, okay, complex to string. Then you can say string of, okay, string of, then complex, if you take 3 plus 9j whatever the value, it is converting into just adding inverted commas here. Okay, if you want, you can try to do few examples, not a problem, like 2 plus, okay, or you can say 2 plus 7j here. Okay, now try to execute. So here what is happening, same thing value, but it is complex, it is string. Now we can take bool also. Okay, bool to, then string to string is okay, not required, right? So bool to here string. Then you can say here bool value, string of bool value will be true, right? It is coming in the, so this is bool value true. Then this is converted as a string. Then you can observe this example. You can get to know clear picture on this. So try to give boolean value. Okay, then it will convert, means it will come convert into a string, inverted commas, that's it. So we are converting bool value into string format. Even you try to give false also. So now you can understand false to false, that means boolean value and string only type built-in function will identify when you are doing this conversion. So now what we understood from string data type means, so we can able to convert integer to string here, and then float to string here. Okay, and then complex to string here, and then finally bool to string here. So everything is working fine, right? Now understand here by taking this example, so you can able to see here what you need to understand. So you can able to convert from integer to string, you can able to convert from float to string, okay, and then you can able to convert from bool to string, and you can able to convert from complex to string, only adding inverted symbols with the values, that's it. So nothing difference is there. So without any pain, without any confusion, we are able to convert from all the data type to, then we are converting into string. So that's why in real-time projects we will be using 90% of this conversion into string format, because every project it respective networking, healthcare, banking, automobile, okay, whatever, first we will load the data from interior tables. Interior tables means in the database we will be creating all the database with the string data type format, because first we will load the data without missing. Means if you take other data types, then there are some issues, right? When you talk about string, we are not getting any issues. That's why from server to tables or server to files, we can load the data first in the form of string data only. Even it is big data project, even it is teradata project, even it is informatica project, even it is data science project also, the first and primary point is to load the data into string format. Because client, if client is giving 100 records, then in your environment should load 100 records perfectly without missing one record. If you are missing one record means, then whole results reflect incorrect only, so incorrect matches only. Then whatever you are doing, how many people are involving here, how then whole process, whole coding process will be failed if the first attempt is failed. So that means all the data will be storing into interior tables, or you can say all the interior files. That means all the files will be in a text format. Then later we can change this after the process in between. So that's why all the projects are using to convert all the data types, whatever the client is giving, we can convert into string format. So string is accessibility for all the data types without any confusion and complex. So this is all about string data type conversion. Okay. So you need to understand how the conversions are happening between the data types. Then you can, it is the first and primary activity we need to do in the project, any project. It is related to any project which deals with data, then first and primary step we need to do typecasting. So we are loading the data from different data types to into string format, the first step. So so try to practice confidently, you can get clear picture on each and every concept. Okay, so thank you so much, see you in the next class.